Magandang araw sa lahat. A sole heir or child of the parents consulted us on her problem about the property left by her deceased parents. Now, the duplicate copy of the transfer certificate of title of that piece of land is in the possession of a third person, not her relative. So, she demanded the delivery or to produce the duplicate copy of the transfer certificate of title. But the custodian refused, saying that she was told by the deceased not to deliver the transfer certificate of title to anybody. And she claims that the deceased executed a last will and testament, which includes the disposal of that piece of land. Okay, now, under the rules of court, take note that a custodian of a last will and testament is duty-bound to present to the court of competent jurisdiction the last will and testament within 20 days from knowledge of the death of the testator. Otherwise, if he or she is ordered by the court to present that last will and testament and he or she refused without any valid cause or ground, then he or she can be committed to prison until he produced or he presented the last will and testament. So ito yung problema, mga kababayan, itong sulong anak. Ayaw nga ibigay yung kopya ng transfer certificate of title dahil di umano, yun yung bili nung namatay at meron daw last will and testament. Mga kababayan, itong last will and testament, wala namang epekto yan kung hindi ipadaan muna sa hukuman. Sa lingwahe ng batas nakalagay that no personal or real property shall be transmitted by virtue of a last will and testament until the last will and testament is probated. Idaan muna sa hukuman. Yung last will and testament na yan, wala namang saysay hanggat hindi papayagan ng hukuman sa tinatawag na probate proceeding. Okay? Paano nga, ibinahagi na daw yung lupa sa ibang tao, mga kababayan, ayon sa Civil Code of the Philippines, merong property na nakareserba para sa mga compulsory heirs. Ang tawag dito sa Civil Code legitim. Nag-iisang anak lang ito. Walang sino mang magmamana pa kung hindi siya lamang. Okay? Sana naunawaan ito ng marami nating kababayan na itong last will and testament, huwag kayong magyabang na yung bahay na yan, yung lupang yan, ay amin na yan kasi ito yung nakasaad sa last will and testament. Mga kababayan, baliwala yan. Kailangan idaan muna sa hukuman yung last will and testament. Kasi kung hindi yan papayagan ng hukuman, hindi yan masusunod. Ang masusunod yung provision ng Civil Code, kasama doon yung Family Code, yung tinatawag na intestate succession. So, sana nakatulong ito mga kababayan. Sana nakatulong ito yung last will and testament. Walang bisa yan. Ulitin ko, walang bisa hanggat hindi ipadaan sa hukuman. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.